Hello, Mark here. I hope you enjoyed the previous section, and in this section we're going to talk about the motif of pursuit. First things first, there's two different types of pursuit. Well, it's the same one, but it could be used either to defend or attack. What do I mean by defense? Imagine you're in a situation where you're really losing the game, like the opponent has a significant material advantage. Then you would try to use this tactical maneuver in order to continuously check the king until you get either a threefold repetition or a stalemate out of the situation. And we'll look at these scenarios in the puzzles. The other way to use pursuit is if you're attacking, and that could be really fun. And that would imply you continuously checking the king and chasing him all across the board until you finally get to checkmate him or gain a significant material advantage. The key thing to remember though is as fun as it is to chase the king around the whole board without your opponent being able to do anything about it, is that more often than not, during the pursuit, you tend to sacrifice pieces. And if you do not calculate the whole maneuver from start to finish, and you're not confident that you can win this game, then you should not be sacrificing all these pieces. Otherwise, you'll be in a very, very bad situation. Anyway, I'll demonstrate all of this in the videos in this section, and I can't wait to get started.